Good morning. I want to thank you for joining us for this web briefing for Saturday morning, August 24th. I'm Mike July, forecaster here at the weather office in Kansas City. We are a little late today, and that's due to some technical problems that we've had, but we've since fixed them, and so we're with you, and we're going to get on with our weather briefing. And by the time I'm done with this, it'll sound like a broken record. We'll start off by taking a look at our satellite picture from about 23,000 miles above the Earth's surface. We're looking at the cloud top temperatures of storm clouds. The brighter the cloud tops, brighter the colors, the taller the storms. And we have some stormy activity out here in western and northern parts of Iowa. This gray shading that you see a little bit further south over northeast Kansas. We do have some light showers, but those are expected to dissipate as the day goes on. At the surface, we have a weak frontal boundary stretching across the central and northern plains. That'll be falling apart as the day goes along. We are going to be seeing a southerly flow of air probably for the next week or so, and that's going to bring up lots of moisture as well as warm temperatures. Looking at lower 90s for today. As we get into Sunday, not much change. High pressure over the eastern U.S. with the clockwise circulation around that system that will give us a continuation of south winds, but no precipitation, even though we are expecting to see an increase in our humidity levels. There's a small chance for a few thunderstorms moving across northern Missouri, but for the most part it's going to be dry today. As we get into next week, there really isn't much change. Again, the high pressure out over the eastern U.S., southerly winds over the southern and central parts of the United States, giving us very warm, pretty much giving us a taste of what summer should have been like back in late July and the first half of August, which really felt more like September. But here we are, we're looking at late summer-like weather with temperatures getting quite warm, and we will be flirting with the 100 plus degree heat index values as we get into Tuesday and also on Wednesday, in fact, throughout much of next week. Just a recap, our late summer heat wave replacing our fall-like weather that we had, which was very pleasant for the first half of August. But here we are looking at temperatures in the middle to upper 90s throughout much of next week, and giving us heat index values probably above the century mark for the better part of next week. And the dry weather will continue for the next 7, possibly 10 days. Once again, I want to thank you for joining us for this weather briefing. You can reach us both on Twitter as well as Facebook, and our webpage at weather.gov/KC.